Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5th. Subject English Grammar, Lesson 26, The Conjunction, Part 2, presented by Durga Thapa. My dear students, in the part first of the lesson number 26, The Conjunction, we have studied what is a conjunction. So the answer is a conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences together. Okay? Now students, I hope you understood the lesson very well and now you will be able to do the exercises. Okay? Now let's begin the exercises. Question number A. Pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences. So here some sentences are given and now we have to pick up the conjunctions from these sentences. So sentence number 1, Amit and Archana are good at mathematics. Now children, can you tell me what is the conjunction in this sentence? Yes, very good. The answer is and, because and is joining Amit and Archana, two nouns here. So the answer is and. Conjunction is and. Sentence number 2. We studied very well but we failed in the examination. So here two opposite ideas are joined by the conjunction that is but. Sentence number 3. They can go today or tomorrow. So here there is a choice sentence joined by the conjunction that is or. Now let's read sentence number 4. They could not arrive because it was raining heavily. So here students, can you tell me what is the conjunction in this sentence? Yes, very good. The conjunction is because. Sentence number 5. We missed the train although we hurried. So can you tell me what is the conjunction here? Yes, very good. The conjunction is although. Sentence number 6. As they were not there, I returned home. So here, what is the conjunction? Yes, very good. The answer is as. As they were not there, I returned home. Next sentence is, unless you work hard, you will not succeed in the mission. So here, the conjunction is unless. Sentence number 8. Do not go before we come. So here, two ideas are there. Do not go and we come. So here the joining word is before. So before is the conjunction here. Sentence number 9. We finished first though they finished first though they started late. Here two opposite ideas are there and these ideas are joined by though. So the conjunction is though here. Now the last sentence is, the mice will play when the cat is away. So here the joining word is when. The mice will play and the second sentence is the cat is away. So here the joining word is when. The conjunction is when. Very good. Now students, exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. So here we have to fill conjunction in these blanks. The first one, she should work hard or she will fail. So here we have to choose either one of them. So or will come here. Mohan reads the poem because it interests him. So here we are filling because. Sentence number 3. Ramesh sang dash Rekha dance. So here what will come, students? Yes, Ramesh sang and Rekha danced. Sentence number 4. The days are hot dash the nights are cold. Here two opposite ideas are there, hot and cold. So what will we fill inside? Yes, very good. We will fill but. Now sentence number 5. It is possible blank he has not received the letter. So what will we fill here? Yes, very good. We will fill that. It is possible that he has not received the letter. Now students, exercise number C, the question is, join the following pairs of sentences together by means of suitable conjunctions. So here students, in sentence number 1, the pair of sentences are given and we have to join them with the help of suitable conjunctions. So let's try. First is, hard work is not easy, and sentence number 2 is, its fruit is sweet. Now we have to join this pair of sentence using a suitable conjunction. So the answer will be, hard work is not easy. We will remove the full stop. We will write down but, and now we will make I as small letter, because now we are joining the two sentences into one. So it will start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. So hard work is not easy, but its fruit is sweet. Now sentence number 2. Earthquakes can cause landslides, and the next pair is, earthquakes can cause tidal waves. Now students, here earthquakes can cause is repeating twice. So we have to make it short. We will write down it only once. Earthquakes can cause. Now we will join these two sentences like this. Earthquakes can cause landslides, and we will cut down the repeated words and we will write down and tidal waves. Okay, now the answer will become, earthquakes can cause landslides and tidal waves. Now let's read the next pair of sentences. She was outspoken. She was teenager. Now students, we have to join these pair of sentences using suitable conjunctions. So here the answer is, she was outspoken when she was teenager. Okay. Let's read the next pair of sentences. We are not going out. It is raining heavily. So here we are giving reason for the first sentence. So we will join it with the help of conjunction because. We are not going out because it is raining heavily. Now the next pair of sentences. He is a miser. He is rich. Now students, here we will join it. He is rich yet a miser, because they are the opposite ideas. So he is rich yet a miser. Now the last question is, fill in the blanks with conjunctions given below. Now students, here fill in the blanks are given and we have to use these helping conjunction words which are given here, and then we have to fill in the blanks with conjunctions. Okay. So the conjunction words are and, so, but, because, or. So students, we can use these conjunction words twice also. So the first sentence is, I love to play dash. I love to read storybooks. Now students, here I love to is repeated here. So we have to cut it down and we have to write down I love to only once. So the answer will be I love to play and read storybooks. What will be the answer? We have to fill and. So I love to play and read storybooks. Sentence number 2. I love books dash they are fun to read. So reason for the first sentence. So we will fill because. I love books because they are fun to read. Sentence number 3. Do you want to play with my dogs? Dash my pet cat. Now students, here we are given a choice. We have to choose any one. So here we will write down or. Do you want to play with my dog or pet my cat? Sentence number 4. It is my sister's birthday. Dash I got her gifts. So here what will we fill? Yes, very good. We will fill so. It is my sister's birthday, so I got her gifts. Sentence number 5. I went outside dash kicked the football. So here the answer will be and. I went outside and kicked the football. Sentence number 6. Dad got mad dash I yelled at my sister. So students, here we will fill because. This is the reaction of the first sentence, first deed. Okay. Now sentence number 7. What do you prefer? Vanilla dash strawberry. Here students, we have to make a choice. So for choice we will use or. So the answer will be what do you prefer, vanilla or strawberry? Sentence number 8. I like to eat a lot of fruit dash I don't like eggs. So students, here we are talking about the two opposite ideas. So we will fill but. So the answer will be I like to eat a lot of fruit but I don't like eggs. Thank you and have a nice day.